So this is the transparent label sensor, and when you first have it, you need to set it based on your label. So after you install it on the machine, and make sure it is put in the middle of the label, not on the space between the label. And you could press plus or minus. Keep pressing it until you have the light splash and have the orange light. You could lose until it has the orange light. And after that, you can press the other key. For example, you now press minus key until you have the red light flashing, and it flashing once, and then you must lose it right away when you see the flashing. So you could see now I will press it. You see, you have the red light and it is flashing. You must lose it right now, and then you will lose two light, and then it's set well. So you could see when it goes, you will have the lights between when it detects the middle of the label. See the gap between the label.